I know the power did not just go out in the middle of my video. I know it did not. Hey guys, what's up? Okay, so today we're back at it again with another cut crease. I've been fantasizing about doing a cherry cut crease for so long now. Like, since I did the sunflower look, I was like, I need to do a cherry cut crease. And I had no idea when I sat down what I was actually going to end up doing, but this is the look, so I hope you like it. I had to be so extra and order a little hair scarf with cherries on it, 2-day shipping from Amazon, so you know. Anyways, you guys, if you want to see how to get this look, then go ahead and keep on watching. So as you saw, I decided to keep the actual cut crease very, very neutral, and I hope you're not disappointed in that because I really did want to go bold, big, or go home. But the fact of the matter is, if I did bold green or bold red, it was just going to stop that cherry from popping that cherry. That wasn't intentional, but I'll leave that in there for you guys. Basically, it wouldn't pop if I did red or green, obviously, because I'm using red and green liners, and so I want it to pop severely. So I'm gonna go ahead and go in with Sickening first. Beautiful transition shade. I'm low-key sad because I want to listen to music while I do my makeup, but I'm not about that copyright life. And we're not doing a voiceover today, so I'll just struggle. I'm gonna go in with the BH Cosmetics L'Amour palette. I take this pinky shade right here, and that's just gonna give it a little bit of color, a little bit of pop, pizzazz, you know. Might have to do an intense pinky look after this because this pink's looking real cute. Like, real cute. I'm feeling this. I'm going to deepen this slightly. If I do it too much, I know I'm gonna regret it. So I'm gonna take this little berry shade right here. So slight. And time to cut the crease. Handy dandy E04 brush from Sigma. It's the Lash fan, but it's that fire cut crease though. I've been telling you guys. I'm gonna go super white for the actual lid, so I'm gonna go in with Cake Face.
I don't need your poison around me. I don't need your poison around me. Keep that shit the fuck over there, please. Keep that shit the fuck over there, please. Don't act like you don't
and suddenly I'm all in your face. So I'm actually gonna go ahead and start doing the cherries now. We've got the Vivid Brights in Vivid Envy, the Vivid Brights in Vivid Fire, and the white liner from NYX. These are all from NYX. I know they crack, you guys. They crack. I'm just letting you know that now. But unfortunately, I have yet to find a brand that's super accessible and affordable like these ones are. So we're gonna make it work, okay? Because I can run down to Ulta and buy these right now. No biggie, no problem. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. Should I play it safe and do 6? Or should I play it not safe and do 8? I don't practice my looks beforehand, you guys, ever. I've never practiced a look beforehand in my life, so we're just winging it. I think we're gonna do 6. Let's do 6. Usually cherries look like a little butt or like a little heart that's round at the bottom instead of pointy. I know the power did not just go out in the middle of my video. I know it did not. We pay our bill, by the way. This has been happening all week. Not just us, the whole neighborhood. I don't know why. But I can't go on. Alright, shit, well, I guess we're taking a little break until that comes back on. I'll be right back. Alright, you guys, so we are back. The electricity's back on, finally. The whole neighborhood went out. And you do not want your electricity to go out in Arizona because that means no AC. And it's hot here, real hot. Now we're gonna make the little highlights on the cherries so they look nice and glossy. I'm gonna take the ColourPop Workout liner and I'm just going to add a little bit of shadow to the leaves. So we're finally done with the cherries, you guys. Finally. But I'm gonna go in with a very bright red. This is Sokoto from the Saharan palette by Juvias Place. Yes. Then I'm gonna go in with Snatched. Deepen that up a little bit. Then for the inner corner, I'm gonna go in with this lime green sparkly shade from the Zulu palette from Juvias Place. I feel like I'm serving radioactive realness right now. I'm loving it. Yeah, that shade's fire. Mascara time. This is actually my first time putting mascara on this little lash lift that I got. So I don't really know. I know this is gonna be a little bold, but I'm gonna go in with the same shade red for my cheeks because I really want them to be like cherries. Look, I'm like a little fairy now. Because I already have it on hand, I'm gonna just go ahead and use the Lightning Dust and Fire Crystal Duo from Fenty Beauty. We're using the shade a lot, you guys. I'm gonna use this on the inside of my lip because I wanna do a cherry lip. Bomb. This is one of my favorite types of lips to do, you guys. Just a little bit right here. And to top it off, I'm going to take the Wet Cherry Gloss from Lime Crime. This one's in Disco Cherry. You guys. I don't know if you guys can see, but damn, this stuff is, gorgeous. I've literally been fantasizing about this look for so long in my head, and I knew it had to involve this lip gloss because it's stunning. Guys. I don't even want to move my mouth because I want it to look like this for. Oh my god. I really love this. I really actually love this. Wow. Alright you guys, so that is it for this look. I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know down below if there are any other cool cut creases that you'd like me to do. We've done roses, we've done sunflowers, now we've done cherries. And I just feel like the possibilities are endless. Do not forget to like and subscribe, hit the notifications, do the most as I would say. And yeah, I'll see you in the next video. Bye guys.